These charred window frames are some of what's left of Matei Bals hospital after a fire swept through it, burning at least 5 patients to death. Fire crews worked through the night to put out the flames.
First of all, I'd like to express my condolences to the families of the patients that died. It's 4 people, 3 of which were found carbonized, and the 4th one they tried to resuscitate, but to no avail.
It's not clear what caused it, but there's anger over the 3rd hospital fire in as many months. Protesters suspect there's corruption behind the lack of investment in aging buildings. They want the president and the ministers in charge to resign.
After 31 years in which we paid taxes and got nothing in return, not a single new hospital was built in Romania in 31 years, although we paid. The money was stolen from the Romanian medical system. We want the resignation of those responsible if things don't change radically.
Romania's president promised to get justice for the victims.
Situația se repetă cumva.
The situation is somewhat repeating itself. We had a tragedy not long ago. There were smaller fires at other hospitals, and certainly the reasons are diverse. They are under investigation. The investigations will bring to light what happened, who is guilty, and the guilty will be sanctioned.
But these promises may not be enough to quell growing anger. Matei Bals Hospital was built in the 1950s and had been recently renovated. Even before the COVID pandemic, Romania's health system had been criticized over inefficiency and politicized management. This latest fire is certain to put the government under more pressure to reform it. Angopa, Al Jazeera.